With the booming popularity of vacation rentals, 2025 presents an excellent opportunity to launch your own Airbnb business. Standing out in this competitive market requires strategic planning and thoughtful execution. At Llivo, we understand the challenges new hosts face. That's why we've prepared this comprehensive, beginner-friendly guide packed with actionable insights and strategies. Start your hosting journey by identifying a profitable location. Analyze travel trends, seasonality and tourist hotspots. Consider proximity to airports, attractions and amenities. Evaluate competition and identify gaps you can uniquely fill. Ensure smooth operations by adhering to local rules. Research zoning laws, licensing requirements and rental restrictions. Obtain necessary permits and comply with tax regulations. Stay informed about updates through local tourism boards. Create a welcoming environment that guests will love. Furnish with comfortable, high-quality and practical items. Equip your space with essential amenities like Wi-Fi, kitchen appliances and toiletries. Ensure cleanliness and provide clear house guidelines. Make your listing stand out with excellent presentation. Use professional photography showcasing your property's best features. Write compelling descriptions highlighting unique attributes such as proximity to attractions or available airport pickup. Regularly update pricing based on demand and competition. Set your listing apart with Llivo's unique advantage. Offer reliable and personalized airport transfers. Highlight this added convenience in your marketing materials. Provide seamless, stress-free experiences that enhance guest satisfaction and repeat bookings. Prioritize guest satisfaction for sustained success. Provide excellent customer service and clear communication. Offer personalized recommendations for local attractions and eateries. Address feedback constructively and continuously improve your services. These real-world examples illustrate the transformative impact of offering personalized guest services from day one. Clearly, integrating personalized services such as airport pickups is key to excelling in the Airbnb hosting market. Launching your Airbnb business in 2025 is an exciting, rewarding opportunity. By carefully planning your entry, understanding local regulations, optimizing your listing, and uniquely incorporating airport pickup services, you can distinguish yourself from competitors and achieve rapid growth. With Llivo's comprehensive hosting solutions and guest-focused services, you'll be perfectly positioned to thrive. Ready to begin? Join the thriving Llivo community today by visiting our sign-up page and explore our journey and values on Llivo.com.